everybody. Happy Monday. How does it go? I think we are in the fifth week of the lockdown. I just hope it ends soon so we can all get back to our lives. However boring they were, and we can get back to complaining about wanting some time and the usual thing that was fun too. But, anyways, I guess we need to make the most of the situation. So, it's time for some good vibes with good times, and I'm all set to invite my guest. I'm particularly fond of her. She's not only a talented actress, but she's a linguist. She speaks, I think, 5 languages and a national award winner. And all set to welcome Priya Mani.
Hello,
Hello, hi.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
अरे क्या बताएं, कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया।
क्या करें अभी सब हम लोग सब ऐसे ही इस सिचुएशन में है तो क्या करें मतलब बोलिए।
आपके साथ कैसा चल रहा है?
जैसे आपके साथ चल रहा है मतलब बहुत ही नॉर्मल चल रहा है घर में मतलब अभी झाड़ू पोछा कुछ सुबह सुबह करके बर्तन वर्तन मांज के तो अभी हम रेडी फॉर द लाइव विथ यू सो आई थॉट आई आई वोंट गेट रेडी मतलब ऐसे ऐसे मेकअप वेकअप मुझे पसंद नहीं है बट एनीवे सिंस दिस इज जस्ट इंस्टाग्राम लाइव एंड आपको दिल्ली के बाद अभी व्हेन यू
I
सेड
know
लेट्स
we
गो
did
लाइव
like
आई सेड
family
लेट्स
man.
यस यस सो मैंने सोचा कि चलो ठीक है लेट्स सी कैच अप विथ यू एंड कैच अप विद द गुड एंड
I'm
हैव अ
so
गुड
glad you did. We
टाइम
couldn't speak much because आप लोगों के
यस
वो 6 लोगों का entourage wanted to know किससे कब बात करें, और सब पागलपंती हो रही थी.
yeah. Promotion time is a little crazy for all of us, I think.
Which is true, but were you expecting that kind of love that family man got, and you guys have wrapped season 2?
Honestly, I thought it would sort of be okay. Matlab, I did not know the amount of, but initially because obviously I shot only for my portion and I did not know the rest of the portion. And even when we were having our table read also, I just read only the first episode, जिसपे मतलब मनोज सर थे, मैं थी, मतलब बच्चे थे, जेके था, उसके बाद वाला एपिसोड मुझे आई डिडंट इवन नो कि क्या होने वाला है क्या एंड जब स्क्रीनिंग के टाइम पे हमने honestly I'm not saying this just because I was a part of Family Man or I still am a part of Family Man. The moment I saw the first 2 episodes during the Mami screening, I fell in love with it because I did not know how good Raj sir and DK sir directed the whole series, how good all the actors are. इतने natural acting मतलब सब लोग कर रहे थे. It just felt like it was happening in somebody's household. ऐसा था. And the amount of love and support and the amount of the love that people have given and they're still giving is just amazing. I think the response is just really good. लोग बार बार देख रहे हैं, वापस देख रहे हैं. And the first question is what everybody is asking is when is season 2 coming out? So
Exactly.
I think
So when is
that
it coming
is
up?
uh, I think it should probably come out by about October
Okay.
November
You
because
all
अभी तो
shot it.
we finished shooting for it. अभी post production चल रहा है.
चलो, इस टाइम में वो पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन तो हो ही पाएगा, you know.
वही तो
Everybody's
yeah
working from home. But
yeah.
I loved your character also. I mean, she's
Thank
very
you.
different. So could
Thank
you
you.
relate to her at any level? Did she resonate with you?
To some extent, I could actually relate to Suchi because she is a multitasker. She does मतलब घर भी चला रही है, काम भी कर रही है. Yes, one thing is बच्चे नहीं है, so that was one thing different from Suchi and me. But apart from that, I could relate to the fact of the multitasker because we women are all multitaskers. हम लोग सब कुछ सब काम एक ही साथ में कर सकते हैं. That's what they wanted to project from Suchi that जब पति घर में नहीं है, she is running the household, she is taking care of the kids, she is working and she gets a job. वो भी करना चाहती है मतलब obviously there is a doldrum whether she wants to do it or not. बात करना चाहती है श्रीकांत से बस श्रीकांत तो है नहीं मतलब half the time he doesn't spend time with the family because of his work and things like that. So the onus falls on her to run the whole household, take care of everything. So a little bit here and there I could I could relate to the character. But apart from that, I think it was all just on the spot, whatever we could do. Obviously improvisations. Manoj sir, as we said during the Delhi promotion itself, that Manoj sir is one person who you have to be very, very, very. You have to be very alert when you're working with an actor like Manoj sir, and so yeah, I think season 2 is definitely it's gonna be bigger, better for sure. I hope everybody loves it.
I'm sure they would, and somebody's written Suchi is a gold digger and you are not.
Suchi, I don't think is a gold digger. She is not a gold digger. She is. She just wants to run her. She is just running her family, and in a way, I can say that she wants to be heard. She wants to be, whatever the problem is going through her, she wants to be heard. She wants to talk to somebody. And since Shrikant is obviously, she doesn't know what his job is, that, for her, he's just a government official sitting behind the desk working 9 to 5, but she actually doesn't know what his actual job is. So you can't exactly call her a gold digger. So I will not agree to that.
Okay. So a lot of people चंडीगढ़ से लेकर केरला से आपको बहुत प्यार आ रहा है. अब किसी ने बोला मलयालम में कुछ कह दीजिए.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. I hope, because I can't talk much in the regional languages, because please understand this is not a regional interview. I met Pooja ji during Delhi. So she, obviously if I talk in regional languages, she won't be able to understand.
I know. I only know
Here and there
Pal
for all
Madhuram in Malayalam. I don't know anything else in
Pal
Malayalam.
Madhuram. Can you say hi to all my Chandigarh fans? Abhiranjan Chabra.
Punjabi which kuch keh sakde ho tusi? Since you are a linguist, you know Punjabi, you know Telugu, you know Tamil.
I know only Sat Sri Akal.
More than enough.
जो बोले सो निहाल सत श्री अकाल वही मैं जानती हूँ. मैं कुछ पंजाबी में नहीं जानती. I wish I could learn पंजाबी.
वो भी आप कर लोगे. सारे तो इतनी लैंग्वेजेस तो जानते हैं. 4 or 5?
5.
Hats off. या एक भी ठीक तरह से बोलनी नहीं जाती.
All the 4 South languages and Hindi. So 5.
Awesome. So a lot of people are asking, what about your movie projects? Where can we see you? अभी कोई कन्नड़ में भी बोल रहा है, आप कुछ कह दो.
एल्रिगू नमस्कार. That was Kannada. Projects down south. Yes, I have a couple of projects down south. I'm working on 2 Telugu projects at the moment. One with Rana and one with Venkatesh sir. I have my reality shows as well. Then a lot of other projects I am listening to. I would probably first let this lockdown get lifted and let us get our lives back to normalcy, and then after that I'll make an announcement.
तो अभी कोई पूछ रहा है साउथ इंडियन फिल्म्स वर्सेस बॉलीवुड. चलो बता दो, आपने दोनों में करा है.
क्या साउथ इंडियन फिल्म्स वर्सेस बॉलीवुड? क्या
वर्सेस बॉलीवुड बताओ.
Which is better?
In both. Which is more which is like more versatile, which is more disciplined, which is easier?
I really can't say that, because so far all the industries I've worked with have been very disciplined, have been very okay. See, one thing I can definitely say, that Bollywood films, yes, probably we start a little later rather than in South. When they say 7 o'clock or 7:30 or 8 o'clock call time, we are all there on the dot and we start. But it also depends on the call time of the Bollywood films or the web series that you're doing. It depends on the project that you're doing, and it depends on the call time also. Sometimes they say, I was shooting for Maidan, and that call time was 9 to 9, and so that is different. Working in the South is different. So it also depends on each the scene, what they have thought of that day to shoot and things like that. So it varies actually.
So Maidan also, everybody looking forward to. Have you started shooting anything? I mean, what made you say yes to it?
Why won't I say yes to it? I mean, it's obviously because of Ajay sir, Amit, the director, Boni sir. Such a dream project. Who will say no to it? Who will refuse?
कुछ होता है ना
But yes,
कैरेक्टर्स का हुक, कभी कभी एक्टर्स का भी ये भी होता है ना. A lot of time, I'm sure you've done that too. You know, sometimes it's a plum project, but you're like, हाँ मेरा रोल. तो इसमें क्या था आपके रोल के बारे में आपको लगा कि other than
मैं अभी
अजय
इसके बारे
देवगन
में
और
बात नहीं कर
अच्छा.
सकती because we still haven't had the let the production side talk about my role and my
Good.
involvement. उनके साइड से अनाउंसमेंट आने के बाद I'll let you know more. But I can definitely say that it's a dream project for anybody. I mean, even if see it for मेरे लिए तो रोल लेंथ ऑफ द रोल उतना मैटर नहीं करता है as long as कुछ तो सब्सटैंशिएट होना चाहिए, मतलब कुछ तो सब्सटेंस होना चाहिए उसमें, कुछ तो वेटेज होना चाहिए, मतलब द लेवल ऑफ इन्वॉल्वमेंट शुड बी important for me. It can be even a small cameo role also, but it has to be very important and it has to add some weightage to the film. अगर वो होता है तो I definitely wouldn't mind doing something like that also.
So from the top stars in the South and to Bollywood like SRK, Ajay Devgan, Venkateshan,
जी
starstruck moment कब हुआ था आपका? किसके साथ हुआ
stars.
था starstruck moment?
Oh, obviously when I met Shah Rukh Khan for Chennai Express. And yes, obviously Ajay sir also for Maidan. मतलब मैंने अजय सर कितने सारे फिल्म्स देखे हैं. I mean, right from I don't actually remember which. I mean, I've seen all his films like say from till the latest Tanaji. I've seen all his Golmaal series, action films, everything. I mean, Singham. So सब देखे हैं मैंने, and I was like, and that man he's such a fabulous actor, no doubt. That he's got these really piercing eyes that they speak. His eyes speak a lot. And definitely ये फिल्म में आप एक अलग ही अजय देवगन सर को देखोगे.
Looking forward to
And yeah, me too. I'm also looking forward to that. And obviously, when I met Shah Rukh for Chennai Express, the song, because I've grown up watching these guys, all their films, and कुछ कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कल होना हो, you name it, and I've obviously seen almost all his films, I can say. And the moment I got the offer, I mean, कौन ना करेगा, मतलब to work in a Rohit Shetty film, even though it was a song, opposite Shah Rukh Khan, मतलब only Shah Rukh and me, then I said yes, मैं करूँगी, Shah Rukh के लिए तो मैं करूँगी ही करूँगी, I don't mind, मतलब even if it is like 10 days also, मैं मतलब मैं दूसरा काम I'll leave it aside and मैं शाहरुख के लिए कुछ भी करूँगी. So that's how that was my starstruck moment. Then when I saw Shah Rukh, I was like, ऐसी थी सच्ची. I became such a small girl when I met Shah Rukh. I was like, oh my God, I'm actually working with Shah Rukh Khan. ऐसी थी मैं.
ये सबके साथ होता है. As somebody said, Shah Rukh Khan is an emotion now.
Yeah,
Everyone has that, like, even like when I'm
yeah.
interviewing him, every time before his interview, I'm nervous. I don't know why he makes it feel, but it's just that Shah Rukh Khan. It's literally like that, Shah Rukh Khan.
Correct. But once you meet him, within like 5 minutes, you just become so comfortable with him. I think it's just his aura, his persona that
Yeah.
makes you feel very, very comfortable when you're working with Shah Rukh. And no, undoubtedly, I mean, obviously people call him the Badshah of Bollywood. And true to his name, he's actually like that. He's a very, very, very sweet guy and very charming.
So edgy. And they have said you've worked with several actors, with everyone your personal favorite. अभी बता तो दिया नहीं. शाहरुख खान starstruck moment.
See,
ऊपर जा रहे हैं ना questions.
exactly. See, I can't actually say who my favorite actor is amongst the people I've worked with. मैं अगर एक का नाम लूंगी तो बाकी सब मतलब बुरा मान जाएंगे. So I would say I've enjoyed working with everybody, but my all-time favorite actor and actress are Kamal Haasan and the late Sridevi ji.
I think that's also a universal thing. Kamal Haasan and Sridevi,
Yeah.
the movies down south.
Yeah.
I sometimes feel that
Oh my God,
Bollywood
they're
didn't tap
the
into
dream
her
pair.
talent. I know.
Yeah.
Bollywood did not tap into her talent as much the South
As much as the South.
did.
Ji, I agree.
I mean, Moondram Pire, I remember I saw that and then I saw Sadma. I mean,
That was my
Kamal
favorite
Haasan
film.
Meendram
my favorite
Kokila
film.
also. One day in Meendram Kokila. See,
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah. Not bad. Not
ये
bad.
सब मैंने
Not
जब
bad.
चेन्नई मद्रास होता था ना, ये सब मैंने
जी.
ओलियम और रात को बैठ के देखती थी ये पिक्चरें में.
Somebody has said, I always thought Priyamani is Sikh.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm a South Indian. Param 6565. No, I'm a South Indian.
अभी कोई कह रहा है तेलुगु में कुछ कह दो, आपने कन्नड़ में बोल दिया, मलयालम में बोल दिया, तेलुगु में बोल।
అందరికి నమస్కారం ఎలా ఉన్నారు ఈ లాక్డౌన్ లో అందరూ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారు అని ఐ ప్రే స్టే హోమ్ స్టే సేఫ్
But you know, for an actor who's constantly shooting in and out
yeah
of sets and all, ये
yeah
आपको, I mean, a lot of them are saying, we are enjoying the self-isolation, but with your lifestyle, it must be getting to you now. There's constantly set, change, schedules, flights. It's
see honestly if I can be very honest I love being at home मुझे
hmm.
तो घर में रहना बहुत पसंद है आई लाइक टू स्पेंड टाइम विद फैमिली तो ऑब्वियसली हम लोग बहुत कंप्लेन करते हैं कि हमें टाइम नहीं मिलता है फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड करने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता है काश मुझे एक दिन मिलता काश मुझे 2 दिन मिलता टाइम फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए तो अभी मतलब भगवान हैज गिवन वन बून सेइंग अभी जाओ 2 महीने में दे रहा हूँ 1 महीना वट एवर हम 2 महीने दे रहा हूँ टाइम स्पेंड करो फैमिली के साथ जो करना है करो लड़ो झगड़ो खुश रहो do whatever you want but do it with family so in a way yes I am sort of missing the life in front of the camera but in a way I can say that this is like a welcome break for everybody that we're getting to spend time with family we're getting to tap into untapped territory we're going half of them I mean and so as much as possible matlab quarantine I feel it's a good move it's a good step that our prime minister has taken our prime minister has said that जितना हम लोग घर में रहते हैं उतना कम हम लोग इन्फेक्ट होते हैं और हम बाकियों को इन्फेक्ट करेंगे so as much as possible please be at home until and unless it's necessary to go out and buy groceries and things like that
Yeah.
which we also do every week once every week we go or once every 10 days we go and buy groceries तो सच्ची में मैंने मुंबई इतना साइलेंट मैंने कभी नहीं देखा मतलब देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो ट्रैफिक देयर इज नो हॉर्न साउंड बहुत इतना पीसफुल मतलब जिस जाना आना ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ लाइन व्हेन यू गो टू ग्रोसरी
Hmm.
sorry when you stand in front of the grocery store there is a line but मतलब सब लोग social distancing maintain कर रहे हैं and this actually shows that our country has taken the lockdown very seriously um, leaving some people who have thought going to the streets, taking the lockdown to the streets and things like that. Unko chhod ke, which is a very less percent, maximum like out of 100%, like I think about 2 or 3% have done that. But baki sab, I can safely say that about 90, 95, 96% of the people have taken this lockdown very, very seriously, and the entire country is on a lockdown. So that's a good move, and I'm very happy that people are taking it seriously.
You know, also there's this meme going like husband and wife who wanted to spend time together are now going mad with each
Mad.
other. How is it at your end?
In our house is actually not too bad because मेरे family ने अभी उनका रमजान चल रहा है तो they all
Okay.
are fasting. Only my father-in-law and me we're not fasting. So because उनको मतलब he's not allowed to fast. So we both are the only ones who are allowed to eat in the morning and afternoon and things like that. तो यहाँ पे टच वुड अब तक तो फाइटिंग वाइटिंग कुछ हुआ नहीं है इट्स जस्ट गोइंग लाइक दैट तो देखते हैं जितना चल रहा है चलने दीजिए देखते हैं
Wow, and Ramzan, all that lovely food in the evening when everyone breaks their
यस
fast. So it must be a feast at home. Which is your favorite
नॉट
Eid ka khana?
नहीं नॉट रियली इट्स अ वेरी यहाँ पे हम घर में बहुत सिंपल सिंपल सा ये रहता है लाइक समटाइम्स इन द इवनिंग परसों मेरी मदर इन लॉ ने दही भल्ला बनाया था फिर उसके पहले कुछ पकोड़े बनाए थे फिर उसके पहले I don't remember what she had. Yesterday, she had made some pakodas and things like that. So it's actually uh, quite a normal. Yeah, but Eid ke time pe obviously I think it would be the last day of their Ramzan thing. The Eid time I think should be a big feast, depending on whether the lockdown is lifted or not. तो तब की बात हम देखेंगे बट अब तक तो it's been when they break
What do
those
you
are
like
very
to
very
eat on Eid के दिन? कौन सा ऐसा डिश है जो आप resist नहीं कर पाते हो?
बिरयानी है मैं तो मतलब बिरयानी की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ बट यहाँ पे बिरयानी नहीं बनती है बट अगर बनाने के लिए बोलेंगे तो फादर इन लॉ बनाएंगी ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि नहीं बनाएंगे बट देखते हैं मतलब I till now we have not had like this traditional Eid where traditionally जो ईद का खाना है वो खाने को मिलेगा. But I remember last year my husband Mustafa took me to Mohammed Ali Road and we had that faluda and oh my God, oh my God, वो फलूदा खाने के लिए इतना मतलब लाइन लगता है वहाँ पे. We had to actually wait for about 15 minutes for that फलूदा. एक फलूदा मंगाने के लिए 15 minutes हम लोग लाइन में खड़े थे. Finally हमको फलूदा मिला and हम लोग मतलब we were just binging on the फलूदा like no man's business. And इतना अच्छा and वो only ईद के टाइम पे मिलता है. मतलब that special फलूदा whatever it is.
So all these things that we took for granted have been taken away. अभी लोग कह रहे हैं आप हमारे comments नहीं पढ़ रहे हो. तो
Oh,
किसी ने
sorry.
ये पूछा है आप सूर्या एंड विवेक ओबरॉय के साथ कैसा रहा था? Now the movie's name I am
रक्त चरित्र.
Yeah, right.
I Rakta Charitra ke time pe I worked only with Surya. I've not worked with Vivek Oberoi. As in we didn't get we didn't have a scene together, but I have met Vivek Oberoi quite a few times during the promotion of Rakta Charitra, and he's such a sweet guy, very down to earth, very friendly. Surya, he's a sweetheart. I mean, he's such a sweet person, very, very nice co-star to work with, and again, extremely down to earth. The entire family, in fact, very sweet, very down to earth, and definitely I would love to work with Surya again.
अभी किसी ने मुझसे सवाल किया है कि मेरा फेवरेट मोबाइल गेम क्या है. भैया मेरे को मोबाइल गेम नहीं आता है खेलने. मुश्किल से इंस्टाग्राम लाइव हो रहा है मुझसे.
आप तो ऐसे ही बोलना चाहिए था पबजी.
नहीं आता ना मेरे को. फोर्टनाइट आता है. वो बचपन में नहीं होते थे that you know ducks collecting eggs. Those are the video games I could play.
Oh my God. I remember playing video games when I was a kid. I don't know if a lot of people will know about the video games I'm talking about. I'm sure they will. हम लोग ये खेलते थे मैं और मेरे भाई मतलब we were playing this game called Contra, Super Mario. तो ये सब हम लोग वीडियो गेम्स में खेलते थे. अभी तो मतलब it's not even there. I don't think it's even there. If it is there, please do let me know where. If as I'm telling them,
Crush भी नहीं आता खेलने. So
मैंने मुझे आता है. I know Candy Crush. I have downloaded something called Panda Pop. तो वो खेलती हूँ.
टेंपल रन पता.
Uno खेलती हूँ मैं ऑनलाइन.
Uno मुझे भी पता है मगर खेलना नहीं आता. Maybe I should try. I'm just so challenged.
It actually is very addictive. You'll get addicted to Uno. I play Uno online. I play Ludo also online.
Awesome. So what is it you're watching? Any recommendations you can give? Anything you're watching, enjoying watching?
Right now, a lot of series actually. I just keep switching between Amazon Prime, Netflix, Z5 and Hotstar. तो ये 4 मैंने डाउनलोड किए हैं. तो whatever is a nice series. अभी just before our call, like about 2 hours before our call, my husband and I we just finished watching Abhay on Z5. Kunal Khemuka.
Okay.
It's quite a nice series actually. It's very, very interesting. 8 episode का series है, and it's actually it's not too bad. I mean, it's a detective sort of a series and crime. It's a crime thriller sort of a thing, and it's quite a nice series. Hotstar पे I saw Special Ops. It's very nice. One of my favorite series, which we've already finished binge watching the day it released, the 4th season, the day it released, was Money Heist. Netflix में. Please आप जरूर देखिए because it's a fabulous series. Trust me, you'll get addicted to it. Like you'll just get addicted. You'll just want to keep binge watching it.
So somebody's asked, are you a Marvel fan?
Of course, I'm a Marvel fan. Yes, सारे Marvel के films मैंने देखे हैं. I like Captain America. He's my favorite. If I have to actually say, I like Captain America. I like Iron Man. I like everybody. Thor. Everybody. Hulk. Black Widow. Actually, अगर देखोगे तो I'll name each and everybody because each and everybody have a different. Their power is different, and yeah, I've seen all the Marvel films.
Somebody's asked, do you watch Friends? Did you watch Friends?
Oh, big fan of Friends. I've seen all the 10 series. All.
Awesome. So anyway, thank you so much. So what is your biggest takeaway from the lockdown? One thing that Your lockdown mantra.
My lockdown mantra is just take every day as it comes, be patient, be happy, stay home, stay safe. Again, until and unless it's necessary, don't step out. And maximum as much as possible, spend time with family, even if it can be, even if you guys are watching television together, even if you guys are watching any movies together, series together, maximum just sit and talk to people, just sit and talk to your family, because who knows, once the lockdown is lifted and life gets back to normal, we may not get this much time to be with family, and we may not, at that point of time, we'll obviously, when we look back, we'll be like, अरे यार इतना time मिला था और हमने spend भी नहीं किया, we didn't even talk, we didn't even do anything, हम लोग हमारे इसमें we were just busy in our own world and things like that. So as much as possible, even if you're getting at each other's nerves also, even if they irritate you, even if they anything, just at least you are with your family. These are the moments that you will look back and you'll cherish. So I think that would be my mantra, that whatever I do, even if it is a small 2 minute talk with my family, or 5 minutes or 10 minutes if I'm spending, or half an hour if I'm spending, or the full day I'm spending, at least when I look back, I'll feel happy that I got to spend this much time with my family members.
And also, now uncertainty is the new normal. So what you said,
Yeah.
I mean, just like take each day as it comes.
Exactly. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank
I
you.
hope
It
I
was
get
nice
to
talking
see
to
you
you too.
soon in person.
Definitely, definitely. Yes.
Stay safe, and thank you so much.